Okay, good morning, everyone. So last I'm giving the experiment number 8 is there, but I think I already were discussed the experiment number 8 is there. If those are absent, we'll discuss the experiment number 18. Next two practicals are there. So today we are go to the experiment number 9 is there. This is the experiment. Write a ALP program. Write. Okay. Write ALP program to perform block exchange operation from internal memory location 40H to external memory location 50H 8051 microcontroller. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, what we have to do here, we have to the exchange the numbers 40 to 50. 40 is the one location. At that location there is some numbers are there. You have to exchange the number means what? Here you have to transfer the 40 numbers to the 50 and 50 numbers to the 40 is there. Look at that location, the number of 40 is transferred to the location of 50 and 50 location number is transferred to the 40 is there. Okay, so exchange the number. In experiment number 8, what we have to do? We have to only transfer the number from one location to the another location, but here we have to exchange the number means exchange the locations, exchange the numbers which are present in that locations are there. Okay, so let's go to the program is there. First, algorithm. First we have to know the algorithms are there. What is the algorithm? Initialize the memory pointer as a source, means where we have to store the number, you have to initialize the numbers are there. Then initialize the memory pointer of destination means exchange the numbers are there. Then initialize the counters means what? How many numbers you have transfer? 5 numbers, 10 numbers, one number, two number. Depending upon that, you have to initialize the counter is there. Okay. The next what we have to do, move the content of footage location in the accumulator. Okay. So first what we have to do, transfer the numbers which are present at the location as 40H is there. This number is transferred to the accumulator is there. And from accumulator, we have to exchange the number with the 50. This is only change is there. This is the only change is there. In previous experiment, what we have to do, we have to take the numbers from location 40H is there, and this number is transferred to the accumulator, and this accumulator is transferred to the another location is there. Only you have to transfer the block is there, but here we are not doing the transfer the number. We have to exchange the number in accumulator and location is there. First what we have to do, take the number from location 40H is there, this number is transferred to the accumulator is there, and then accumulator is exchange the number means what? 50H location number is come to the accumulator, and this accumulator number is transferred to the 50H is there. Accumulator number is transferred to the 50H is there. Okay, so this then exchange number, so the location number of 50H is coming to the accumulator is there, so this accumulator number is transferred to the location of 40H. This accumulator number is transferred to location of 40H. So these three steps are important are there. So first, suppose 40H is the location. So what is this number is there? Suppose 40 is the location. At that location, suppose there is a number is 02. At that location 02 is the number is there. Okay, and there is another 50H is 50 is the location. This number is contain a 6 is there. This number is contain a 6 is there. So 40 is the location, 50 is another location. What is this line is there? In exchange the contents of. So here what happened after giving this uh, expression, what we have to do is 40H, and in that line what we have to do, accumulators contain a value of 02 is there. Okay, so this line gives these three statements are there. First, 40 is the location contain a 02 number is there, this 02 number is transferred to the accumulator is there, and 50H is the location where we have transfer the 06 is there. So what we have to do after this line, red line is there, what will happen after red line, this accumulator is contain a value of 02. Okay, 02 value is replaced with the 06 is there, 02 is value is replaced with the 06 is there, and 50H is the value replaced with the 02 is there. So 50 is contain a value of 02 is there. Okay, so in this after execution of this instruction, accumulator become a 6 is there, accumulator become a 6 is there, and this 50 is becomes 2 is there. So accumulator become a 6 is there, and this 50 becomes to exchange the value. But here we are not transfer the value to the location 40H. We are not transfer the value to the location 40H of this line is there. After this line, This is the next line, move the contents of accumulator to the 40h. So after this line, or after this execution of this line, then you will get the 40h is equal to 40h is equal to 06 is there. So after execution of these three lines, then you have to exchange the number of location 40 and 50h is there. You have to execute these numbers are 40 and 50h is there. Okay. So this is the uh, program is there, and after that increment the source location increment the destination location and decrement the jump. This decrement is used for the how many numbers you have to transfer is there, decrement the count is there. So this is the decrement the count, and then you have to stop there, decrement the count of iteration, and then you have to stop this. So these three lines are important. These three lines are important. First you have to take the number from location to the accumulator, and then this number is coming to the accumulator. Then these three lines, red line is exchange the number with the accumulator with the location of 50h, exchange the number of accumulator with the location of 50h is there, and then this 50h is transferred to the this one, this 50h location, or this 066 transferred to the 40h location. So this is the program is there. So this is the program is there. So see how this is the algorithm is there, and then we have to transfer this algorithm into the instructions. You have to transfer this algorithm in instructions. If any software language, there is algorithms are there is a flowcharts are there, and according to the instructions are present in that software, you have to transfer this algorithm or your flowchart into the instructions are there, or into the program. You can see that. See, this the program is there. Just we have to correlate with this algorithm with this program is there. First initialize the pointer source. So first move 40 into R0 is there. Okay. Then next move R1 into 50h is there. Okay. So first number is coming to the R0, second number is coming to the R1 is there. Okay. First number is coming to the R0, second number is coming to the R1 is there. Then next, how many numbers you have transferred? You have only transferred 3 numbers. So you have to set the counter for the R2 is 03. To set the counter for the R3 is the 03 is there. Okay. Then next, what we have to do here, move a comma hash R0. What is the meaning of that hash? Sorry, at the rate. Move a comma at the rate R0. Meaning of that, R0 here, what addressing mode is there? This is the immediate addressing mode. This one is the immediate addressing mode. In that immediate addressing mode, we have transferred the 40h to the R0. But 40h is not a value. 40h is not a value. It is the location. And at that location, there is a value. That's why here we have to use the indirect addressing mode. That's why here we have to use the indirect addressing mode, which is move a comma at the rate R0, which is move a comma at the rate R0. Then R0 is the location. At that location, there is a value, and this value is transferred to the accumulator is there. This value is transferred to the accumulator is there. Okay. Then next, what we have to do here, this value means after this instruction will be executed, a will becomes container 6 is there. Then what we have to exchange a, this is a means accumulator, this a means xch means exchange, and a means accumulator with the at the rate R1. What is the meaning of at the rate R1? Means R1 is the location 50h. At that 50h there is a value of 02. Our accumulator contain value of 04, and our 50h is contain value of the 02. So from this equation, exchange the accumulator with the R1. Exchange the accumulator with the R1. So we have to replace the 06 with the 02 is there. You have to replace 06 with the 02 is there. So what will happen? What will happen? Then after this instruction, accumulator is contain value of 06, and your 50h is contain value of 02 is there. Okay. So we have to exchange this number are there is here. But what we have to do, we have to transfer the block or exchange the block with the location of 40h. We have to exchange the block with the location of 40h. So you transfer this accumulator value to the R0. You transfer the accumulator value to the R0, means at the rate R0 means R0 is the value at that location. We have transfer the value of accumulator to the R0. So move the accumulator value into the address indicated by R1. Means this R0 is the location. At that location, we have transfer the values there. Okay. So here we have transfer this R1 is there. Okay. Sorry, R0 is the location value is there. Then what? You have to increment the R0, then increment the R1 is there, and here decrement the jump if not 0 means first you have to decrement the R2. See, What is the meaning of that? First decrement the R2, and if R2 is not 0, then go to the jump is there. If R2 is non-zero, then go to the jump is there, and then exit the program is there. Exit the program, so you will get the exchange the number is there. Here is the program is given is there. I030, here is the I'm writing is 40 is there, and here I'm writing the 50 is there. So I40 is contain the 10, 30, 40, and I50 is contain 11, 12, 13, 14, and output is will be exchanged with 30 with the 40 is there. So here I'm writing the 40, and here I'm writing the 50 is there. So this will be 50 becomes 40, and 40 becomes the 50 is there. So this is the program of your block transfer, block exchange, not transfer, block exchange is there. So we will go to the Keil software and just do this program if it is work or not. Okay. There is command of XCH a comma at the rate A0 is there. Okay, R1 is, so there is no warning is there. Just first I am going to run the program, then step by step we have to see the program, it will be run or not. Just first see this program is saved, it will be run is there. Start and stop debug is there. There is a location of I40. Just I'm writing I40 is the three numbers we have to take. So I'm writing 10, 20, and 30 is there. Okay. And then I50 is another location. At that I50, I'm writing the 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, and 13 is there. Okay. So this is the program. They just I'm run the program, debug, and run this. See, this 50 becomes a 10, 20, and 30 is there. And just I'm going to do 40 is there. You will get 11, 12, and 30. Just I have to change the value of 40 and 5 is there. See here, 5 is below this 40. So I'm taking the value of apart from 50, I'm taking the 5 is there. So you can directly see here exchange is done or not. Just see if it is possible to. Just 10, 20, 30. If I'm taking another number is there 40, then I'm giving here 11, 12, debug, and run the program. See, you can see here directly. Here, this number is not replaced. 410, 40, and 14 is not replaced because here we have to use the only replacement of the three numbers are there. We are only use the replacement of the three numbers. That's why I'm taking the different addresses there, because you can directly see here the exchange of number is there. Directly we can see here exchange of number is there. So one by one, when we are doing the step-by-step execution is there, we will see the exchange of the number is there. When step-by-step execution is there, exchange of the number is there. Okay. So let's go to the program is there. Step by step execution. Running. debug start and stop. नंबर देतो आपण स्टेप बाय स्टेप बघूयात हाऊ टू रन द प्रोग्राम स्टेप बाय स्टेप. आता बघा आपण वन बाय वन एक्झिक्युशन बघूयात. सी हाऊ मेनी रजिस्टर्स आर देअर R0 R1 अँड R2. इथे आपल्याला दिसते R0 R1 आणि R2 हे तीन रजिस्टर आहेत. R0 जो काय एक लोकेशन आहे ते लोकेशन 40H आहे. R1 दुसरं रजिस्टर दाखवलं ते लोकेशन 50FH आहे. नंतर नेक्स्ट R2 म्हणजे का हाऊ मेनी नंबर शेअर ट्रान्सफर ते दाखवते आपला R2. ठीक आहे. हे आपले तीन रजिस्टर बाकी कुठे चेंज नाही आणि फक्त व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू वी हॅव टू ओनली वर्क विथ द अक्युमुलेटर. आपण अक्युमुलेटरशी काय करतो वर्क करतोय. आपण काय करतो वर्क विथ द अक्युमुलेटर दॅट अक्युमुलेटरशी आपण वर्क करतो त्यामुळे आपला आउटपुट काय मिळते रिलेटेड टू द अक्युमुलेटर देअर. सो लेट्स गो टू वन बाय वन इज देअर. सी F11 first. Here is your get R0 is equal to 40H. R0 is equal to 40H is there. Then next instruction is R1 is equal to 5F. R1 is equal to 5F is there. Then R2 is equal to 3. R2 is equal to 3. So you will get three numbers are there 40, 5F and 03. 40, 5F and 03. 40 and 5F are the locations and 3 is the counting process. How many numbers you have to transfer? How many numbers you have to transfer there? Okay. Next is what we have to do. See, it is an indirect addressing mode. Means what? You have to transfer the R0 at the rate R0 to the A. At R0, what is the R0? R0 is contain value of 10. R0 is contain value of 10 at location 40 is there. 40 location value किती 10 आहे ती व्हॅल्यू ट्रान्सफर अॅक्युमुलेटर. बघा इथे अॅक्युमुलेटर मध्ये 10 येईल. C in accumulator is 10. Okay, you will get accumulator value is the 10 is there. Okay, then what is the next step is there? Exchange accumulator with at the rate R1 is there. Okay, so see accumulator is contain value of 10 and our R1 is contain value of 11. R1 is contain value of 11. म्हणजे काय what will happen after this instruction? What will happen? Accumulator means 5 becomes a 10 and accumulator become 10. But 40H as it is 10. 40H is not change. 40H मध्ये कुठलाही चेंज होणार नाही. as it is 10 राहील. फक्त exchange काय होईल? Exchange between accumulator and 5F. Exchange between accumulator and 5F is there. So 5F is the 11. It will go to the accumulator and accumulator 10 will come to the 5. See here. Just I am show the arrow is there. What will happen? Okay, 5 is 10, but 40H is 10, no change is there. But here accumulator value will be changed to 11. So value at 5 11 is come to the accumulator and the accumulator values goes to the 10 is there. After that what we have to do, we have to exchange the block. So you have to replace this 40. आपला हा नंबर काय करा रिप्लेस करायचा म्हणून काय केलं आपण नेक्स्ट स्टेपला मूव द अक्युमुलेटर टू द @R0. So accumulator number is we have taken from the location 50H is the 11 is there and this number is transferred to the R0. This number is transferred to the R0 is there. Okay, so what will there see after this instruction this 10 will replace with the 11. This 10 will replace with the 11. See F11. See here. Okay, this will be so by using these three steps exchange a comma R1 and move a comma @R0. By using these two steps sorry these here move R0 into the A, R1 into the A and A into the R0 at the rate is there. So by using these three steps you have to replace the location of 5F with the R0 is there. You have to replace the location of 5F with the location of 40H or you can say at the location of the R0 is there. Okay, so this is the step is there. After that what we have to do, here is the first number is there. Here is the first number is 40 and 5 is there. After increment of the R0 so this is the next step with the R0 is there. So increment the R0. So you will get the R0 is equal to 41. You will get R0 is equal to 41. Here is a 40, then you will get the R0 is equal to 41. So I am taking R0 is equal to 41 is there. Okay. So you will get the R0 is equal to 41. Okay. After that, increment the R1. 5 becomes a C. This is the 60. 5 becomes the 60 is there. So increment the R0, then increment the R1 is there. After that, decrement with the R2. Decrement the R2 to the up. Decrement means here is first R2 becomes 2, and then there is non-zero, so it will go to the up is there. So it will go to the up is the cursor is come to the up is there. So 41 is contain value of 20, 60 is contain value of the 12. So you have to exchange between these three lines. See the exchange between, see here, exchange of between these three lines. First, accumulator is contain a value of 20 is there. This 10 12 is replaced with this 560 is there. So here is 60, and then this 12 value is come to the R0 is there. So 12 will come to the R0 is there. So R0 means 40 will come to the R0. Then you have to increment the R0, it is becomes 12, sorry 42, then it becomes a 61 is there. So you have to increment this, the decrement the R2, first decrement is 1, so R2 becomes 1 is there, R2 becomes 1, so it is non-zero, it will go to the up is there. So again, next number is 30, 30 is coming to the accumulator is there, 30 is accumulator is there. Okay, then exchange the 30 with the 13 is there, so it becomes 30, and then you have to value of accumulator is transferred to the R0, so it becomes a 30 becomes a 13 is there. So you will get the, here is 13 is there. Then increment the R0, you will get 43 is there, and increment the R1, it will be get the 62 is there. 43 and 62 is there. Then what? You have to decrement the R2. You have to decrement the R2 means first you have to decrement the R2. Here first decrement the R2, so R2 becomes 0. When decrement the R2, R2 becomes 0. So this instruction means this not go to the up is there, because R2 is contain value of 0 is there. R2 is contain value of the 0 is there. So it will be now not go to the up is there, it will be not go to the up is there. So you have to stop there. So you have to stop there and end the program is there. So if I'm giving 11 is there, if 11 is there, you have to stop this, you have to end the program. It is in the exit is there, or you can say the end this program. If you are not writing this edge jump exit direct, you are at the end, there is no matter is there. Okay, so you will get the output is exchange is there. So here 40 and 5 exchange with the 11 0 12 20 and 39 3. This is a experiment number 9 is there. So here is our all experiments are completed. One experiment as the LCD display is there, or maybe one experiment LCD display we are discussing the SIM ED SIM software is there. In that software we have discussed this last experiment is there. Okay. Or, so one experiment just I want to discuss with you. The experiment we have in not experiment the program which you have taken at the time of your theoretical session is there. So last lecture, last practical theoretical session, we discuss this program. Just I want to discuss this program or how to run this program on your by using a kill software is there. Okay. See, write a program to generate a square wave of frequency 2 kilohertz of frequency of 2 kilohertz on 0.2.2. Assume crystal frequency is 11.059 megahertz is there. Here we are not directly see the square wave on your in using Kel software there. Just I want to use how to give the peripherals of the ports are there. How to give the peripherals of the port, and then how to run the program is there. So just I want to discuss at the time of the 30 seconds, but here just I want to give in 2 minutes how to calculate the value of TL and value of TH1 is there. So first here we have to give the 2 kilohertz frequency. We have to create calculate the period of that frequency is there. So T is equal to 1 upon F. So it is a 500 microsecond is there. But here we are not use a 500 microsecond because we have to use the we have to use the square wave is there. Square wave is on and off period is there. Square wave of on and off period is there. So it is a duty cycle of the square wave is 50%. Duty cycle of the square wave is 50%. So we have to use the on period is 250 microsecond is there. So on period is 250 microsecond is there. Okay, then we have to calculate the crystal frequencies there. So crystal frequency is 11.0592 megahertz. Crystal frequency is 11.0592 megahertz is there. So we have to calculate the period of that frequency, which is our 8051 crystal frequency or clock frequency is there. So you have to calculate the count is there 1.0585 microsecond is there. So when you divide this 250 by divided by 1, then you will get the 230 is there. You have to divide this, you have to get the 230 is there. Then you have to minus the 231 50 65,536, then you will get one decimal count is there, and that decimal count you transfer to the hex. This decimal count is transferred to the hex is there. So you transfer the decimal count into the hex is there. Okay, you will get transfer the decimal count to the hex is there. So ff1 is there. So you will get the answer is ff1 is there. Okay, so TL is contain a 1A is there, lower byte, and TH is contain the FF is there. So this is the calculation to calculate the TL and TH. What is the meaning of TL and TH? Here is a timing period. Timer period means what? When you generate a square wave, you have to generate the square wave. You must give the on and off period of the square root. You must give the on and off period of the square root. This on and off period is given by this TL and TH is there. This on and off period is given by the TL and TH is there. Okay. So just go to the program is there. So TL and TH here I'm using the tmod hash 10h is there. What is the meaning of that? Meaning is that here we have to use a timer root. In tmod, you know that tmod is the 8-bit, sorry, 8-bit control register is there. Right side 4 bits are used for your timer 0, and left side 4 bit is used for the timer 1 is there. Here we have to use the timer 1 is, if you remember this 8-bit is there. First is the, I think, enable the, then next is the software or hardware interrupt is there. Then next is the I think I don't have the okay, just tmod is the register. By using this we have to 10 is we have to use 0001 is there. First is counter or timer C comma T is there. Then we'll go to the S0 is one. Last one is the 1 is for the enable the timer 1 is there. Enable the timer 1 is the 1 is there. So it will get the 10 is there. For first 4 bit is 10 is there. And then you have to transfer the 1H to TL1 because we have to use the 10. So you have to use the timer 1. If I am writing 01 is there. If I am writing after of 10, if you're writing the 01 is there, you have to use the timer 0 is there. So here timer 1 is there. So your hash 1A means lower bit is goes to the TL1 and higher bit 0 FFH is goes to the TH1 is there. Okay, so you'll go this. Then set the timer bit TR1 is there. Set the timer bit is there. TR1 means you have to start the timer. What is you have to start the timer means you create the delays there into the timer, and then timer will be start up to this delay. Timer will start up to this delay. So you will get the on period of the this one, just like you will get the on period of the square wave is there. You will get the on period of the square wave is there. We'll get the on period of the square wave is there. TH starting of the TR1 is there. Okay, then after that it will check overflow flag, overflow flag of the timer 1, overflow flag of the timer 1. Jump if not beat means TF1 is 0. जोपर्यंत TF1 मध्ये 0 आहे तोपर्यंत it will go to the L2 means same line it will be executed. But if your F1 becomes 1 means your overflow flag becomes 1, then if jump if not beat it will go to the L2. If it is jump if bit is contained in the TF1 means TF1 becomes 1, what will happen, it is come out of this loop is there. जेव्हा आपल्या TF1 मध्ये 1 येईल म्हणजे जेव्हा हे काउंटिंग संपेल, कुठलं काउंटिंग, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 230 काउंटिंग इज 230, 230 काउंटिंग जेव्हा संपेल, इफ कंप्लीट द 230 काउंटिंग ऑफ दैट iteration loop is there, then the overflow flag will be generated. Overflow flag generated means what? Overflow flag contain a value of 1 is there. Overflow flag contain a value of 1 is there. Okay, after the overflow contain value of 1 is there, then what will happen, it will be come out of the program is there, it come out of this, not it will come out of this line is there, and it will go to the clear TR1 means you have to stop the timer, then you have to complement the P22 means what will be, you will start from this, you will start from this is positive, then it will start from the negatives there, so it will start from the negative, so it will give the CPL P2.2. 2.2 means what, it is the port where we have to connect the CRO is there. Port 2.2 is the port where we have to connect the CRO is there. In that CRO first you will get the delay time from 0 to means 230 count is there, or you can say as 1 AFF is 0 time from starting from positive to negative. After that complement this, it will start from the negative is there, so it will get 0 to 1, then clear the TF1 means overflow flag will be clear, so overflow flag becomes a 0 is there. After that it will go to the jump is there, after that it will go to the jump is there, so again timer will be given, so you will get the value is like this. Okay, from this then set the timer will be start, then check the overflow flag, then clear the TR1, then again complement, then it will go to the again positive side is. So in this way square wave will be generated is there, square wave will be generated is there. Okay, so just go to the program, then just I want to show first run the program, then we'll go to the step by step execution is there. So first save the program, build the program. It will give the warning is there, end statement is missing, warning is end statement is missing, so I'm writing here end statement, end statement is there, then save. 0 data warning also 0 is there, just I'm going to run the program. Okay, but for run program what we have to do, we are required a, which one required, we required the port is there, here we require a port 2.2, so port 2 will be there, so here is the peripherals, in peripherals input port 2 is there, in peripheral port 2 is there. Okay, this is the port 2 is there, in that port 2 you can see 0 to 7 is there, so 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 to 6 7 is there, here is also 0 to 7 is there. Okay, just I am run the program, which bit you have to complement, this one, port 2.2. 2.2 means this is the 0, this is the 1, and this is the 2, this is the 0, this is the 1, and this is the 2 is there, so these two, this pin will be complement means it is first is 0, sorry, here is the 1 is there, then 0 1 0 will be there, see here in the program is there, so debug and run. This will be 0 1 0 1 will be there, means you will get the, this is the delay time is there, delay time, that's why it will go the square root of the positive and negative is there, square root of the positive half cycle and negative half cycle is there. Okay, understood. This is the program is there. See, if I'm stop this program and it's coming out of this program, if you go to the peripherals, you can't see anything in the peripherals. आपल्याला त्या peripherals मध्ये काही दिसत नाही. We can't see anything in the peripherals there. But if you run the program, go to the debug and start the program, you will get the value in the peripherals are there. You will get the value in the peripherals are there. Here we can also timer 1, timer 0 is there. Timer 1, timer 0 is there. इथे आपण बघू शकतो value of T mod and T. Just see, and then you have to see the peripherals are there. Okay. If I am run the program, see here counting will be done, and the TF1 flag will be executed. Here आपल्याला दिसते. When you go to the step by step, TR1 is on or off. You can say the control of the TR1 is there. Where stop the TR1, get the TR1. See, one by one we will discuss. Then you can see here also all the things you have to see here. A timer and control and port 1 is there. Just go to the step by step execution is there. Sorry. See step by step execution. T mod is 10H. So here T mod is 10H. If I'm giving T mod is 10H, see F11. Okay, you will get T mod is 10H. Here is also T mod is 10H. Then TL 1H. Here TL1 is 1H. TL1 is 1H is there. Then again TH1 is 0FH. Here TH1 is 0FH. You will get the set bit TR1. TR1 is here is TR1 is off. TR1 is off is there. So you have to start the timer. Here is timer at the stage, timer is stop. See, timer is stop. If I am set this timer, timer will be start. So this status will be start is there. Okay, it is a run condition means start condition. Okay, then check TF1 is not bit. सध्या TF1 कुठे आपला TF1 मध्ये कनेक्टेड नामे TF1 मध्ये सध्या 0 आहे. TF1 is contain a 0 is there. TF1 is contain a 0 is there. So after that, what will happen if I am giving F12? Here is counting is starting. Here see the counting is starting. Up to this, what is the 40H is there? Up to the FFH is there. Then 11, then 12, 13, and up to the F. A झाला, then next B, then C, then D, then E, then F. E, then F is there. F1, F2, F3, F4, F7, F8, F9, FB, FD, FE, FF. Okay, after that, what will happen? See, after that, overflow flag will be generated. Overflow flag will be generated. Timer will be stop. Hereafter, timer will be stop. Say F11, timer will be stop is there. Timer will be stop. Clear the TR1. TR1 will be 0. Then you have to clear the overflow flag. Overflow flag will be 0. And this here is what will happen. Here is the 1, it will be complement, so it will becomes a 0 is there. So 2.2 here becomes a 0 is there. So it will becomes a 0 is there. Clear TF1. TF1 is again 0 is there. Then again here timer will be, see, tcon value and tmod value. Tcon value and tmod value is 0, 0. So you will out of this. So again you have to jump this. Again you have to add this. Which value? Add this TL1 value is 1A and TH1 value is 0FH is there. Again, what will happen? Set the TR1, timer will be start is there. Then again you have to counting the waiting period is there. When you will get the FFH, there, what will happen? It is come out of the timer is there. It is come out of the timer is there. A, then B, then C, then D, then E. F, B, F, D, F. Okay, come out of this is there. It becomes TF1 is on is there. Then you have to come out of this loop is there. Clear TR1. TR1 becomes a 0. TR1 becomes 0. Then complement this. It becomes a 1 is there. So 0 to 1 is there. This port becomes 1. Clear TF1 is there, and you will come out of this one. So this is way is there. So when you run this program, you can see this. If you run this program, you can see this way you can see the output is there. Okay, this is a timer one programs are there and timers. So just I want to discuss these two programs with you.